This is the elevator at the State Street parking garage, Sarasota, Florida. Specifically, this is elevator number 2. Let's go to 6. There we go. We're at 6. I can't tell if this works. Yeah, I don't know if the call button works or not. It still says it's up at 6. So, I'll be right back. So I went down the 5, and look at this. The down lantern is just permanently lit. So, we're gonna send it up to 6 and go up there. In the meantime, let's take a look at the stairs. Oh, no chime that time. Let's go 1. So some of you might know, the COP buttons, these aren't the original buttons. This originally had FIGL buttons, but they got replaced with FIGS. So I'm guessing the original panel was vandalized to the point where they had to replace it. Here's your inspection certificate. And that'll be it.